Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Neri Kiskinig, BSM student. Today, I'm going to present to you the topic in my subject, Computer Aided Instructional Material Development 1. The title of my topic is about ICT in teaching and learning. Under ICT in teaching and learning, we have the learning objectives, enduring understanding, essential learning, and assessment tasks. Our learning objectives is to promote computer-based educational resources, to encourage higher level thinking and creativity through ICT, to make students aware of information technology, to deliver students with a learning experience in instructional technology. Enduring understanding. In today's digital world, it's crucial for students to develop essential digital literacy skills. ICT integration allows them to learn how to navigate the internet responsibly, evaluate information resources critically, and use technology effectively for learning and communication. Also, ICT offers a range of assistive technologies for students with disabilities. Text-to-speech software, screen readers, and specialized educational software can help bridge learning gaps and ensure inclusive education for all. Therefore, the effective use of ICT in education presents a multitude of benefits for both students and educators. By embracing the technology and integrating it thoughtfully in the curriculum, schools can create a dynamic and empowering learning environment that prepares students for success in digital age. Essential learning. In the last few decades, technology made immense changes in human life through digital revolution. Digital revolution reconstruct our education slowly and steadily. Educational technology development makes teaching and learning enjoyable. Devices such as smartphones and laptop are now important in the classroom. Books gradually replaced by new technology devices such as laptops, pen drives, tablet, e-readers, and e-book. Knowledge can be used and shared with the help of internet anywhere and anytime. ICT resources support the teaching process by utilizing technologies such as interactive whiteboards, collaboration software, and other digital resources. Promoting computer-based educational resources is a complex endeavor that requires strategic advocacy, resources development, professional development efforts based on the study of Aspire et al. 2012. The importance of creating awareness about the benefits of technology integration in education. By exposing success stories, stakeholders can gather support for investment in technology infrastructure and professional development initiatives aimed at equipping educators with the necessary skills to effectively integrate digital tools in their teaching practices. Also, promoting computer-based educational resources requires the collaboration of the content developers, educators, and instructional designers to create high-quality digital content and tools especially to meet the diverse needs of learners. In the study of Clark and Mayer 2016 highlight the importance of designing digital resources that align with curriculum standards and educational best practices. By promoting a culture of innovation and experimentation, educational institution can purchase the transformative potential of technology to enhance teaching and learning experiences and prepare learners for success in the digital age by Johnson et al. 2013, encouraging advanced cognitive processes and nurturing inventive thinking via information and communication technology or ICT within educational setting is pivotal for equipping students with the requisite skills for navigating the complexity of the 21st century. Mishra and Collier 2006 emphasized the significance of integrating ICT seamlessly into, the, into educational frameworks to facilitate deeper comprehension, critical analysis, and adept problem-solving abilities among learners. By harnessing digital resources and online platforms, educators can orchestrate authentic learning environments where students partake in inquiry-driven experience that foster creativity and ingenuity by Popper 1993. Utilizing multimedia presentation, virtual simulation, and collaborative digital spaces, for example, encourages students to delve into intricate concepts from diverse vantage points, nurturing higher order cognitive skills by Jonathan 2000. Providing students with an educational encounter step in instructional technology entails the integration of digital tools and materials into the educational framework to enrich both teaching and learning modalities. Means et al. 2010 underscored the significance of furnishing students with an authentic engagement with instructional technology, accentuating its tangible benefits. Through the integration of digital resources such as educational software, multimedia exhibition, and interactive simulation, educators can orchestrate dynamic learning environments tailored to accommodate various learning inclination and preferences by Penwell et al. 2017. By engaging in hands-on exploration and experimentation with technology, students cultivate indispensable digital literacy proficiency adept at employing technology to tackle challenges, convey concepts, and collaborate with peers, or ISE 2016, instilling awareness of information technology or IT among students involves imparting knowledge and comprehension regarding IT's role, influence, and practical application across various domains of life. Silwen 2010 underscore IT literacy as a foundational competence is crucial for active engagement in the digital era. Educators can cultivate IT awareness by integrating IT-related content in diverse subject areas within the curriculum, emphasizing its relevance and impact in domains like education, healthcare, commerce, and communication, or International Society for Technology in Education, 2016. Through examination of real-world instances and case studies, students develop an understanding of IT's transformative potential in addressing societal issues and enhancing quality. Last is the assessment task. In assessment task, we have the ICT about for teaching and learning, student impact of an ICT to student, and how does ICT affect assessment professors of their student. That's the whole. Thank you. Then pencil. And that's all for today. Thank you so much.